Hello everyone, how are you? I thought I'd send this video out because it would be better than doing a long text. But I want to do some housekeeping as far as the setups in the building, particularly here in Fellowship Hall. There are a lot of events that's going to be happening between now and next Tuesday. And so, of which all of them will be using the same table and chair configuration, which is how it looks right now. Accompanied with this text message, I believe I sent you a photo of what the room looks like. But just to give you a rundown of what's happening here, tonight is the Wednesday night well meeting. That'll be here tomorrow morning, which will be Thursday. We'll have the Women's Senior Bible Study, followed by Thursday night is Worship and Arts is having a special meeting here in Fellowship Hall, followed by Saturday morning is the men's breakfast. So Friday morning, we're going to be setting up for that. Followed by on Sunday morning is the youth. They'll be in session here, and then followed by the men. The men's class begins next Tuesday. So I wanted to let everybody know that from here moving forward, if you come into a room and it's set up the way you see it, we're asking for those to keep it in the same configuration. Let's just say, for example, you have to rearrange it or adjust, I should say, for whatever you're doing specifically at that time. That's okay, provided that you restore the room in the exact condition it was, how you found it, because the next ministry after you is going to need the room, should be able to walk into the room already set up. So we're asking for everyone to leave the room as they see it. Now, if you need a special setup, something that is totally unique, say, for example, in here, you need to have the room cleared or theater chairs, then that requires an event request form, and we need to have that at least 2 weeks or so ahead of time. The reason being is, if you can imagine this room as an airport runway, there's a lot of planes that land on this runway within a week's period of time. So we need to know how to be able to set it up, because there's only but a few people who can actually set it up and put it back for you. So just FYI, as you see the room tonight, and when you come in for it, that'll be the Women's Bible Study, Worship and Arts, the Men's Prayer Breakfast event, the youth as well. We're asking for everyone, as you find the room, please restore it to its original condition, because there's another ministry coming after you, and there won't be anyone in between to make the reset. So this is our house. Make sure we take care of it. If you see someone moving something around, I'm asking you to speak up and let them know, put it back the way they found it, okay? Take care and God bless. Enjoy your week.